Hi everyone, Nuno from Nhost here. So today I want to talk to you about point-in-time recovery, or PITR, a new addition to the Nhost platform and a more powerful and granular backup restore mechanism. When we talk about scheduled backups, they have a big problem. You can only restore your database to the latest backup available. With point-in-time recovery, you can rewind your database to the exact moment before an accident happens, for example. So it's more granular, more powerful. If you want to learn more about point-in-time recovery, there's a link here at the bottom that leads you to our documentation page. Now, let me show you how to enable point-in-time recovery. Just head to Settings, and then Database. And make sure that the toggle here for point-in-time recovery is on. If you are using Git and the configuration file, just make sure that you have the right configuration. You can see the two lines highlighted there. That's all you need. So now let's go back to our database. We have a logs table with a bunch of records introduced with PG cron. So I have a cron that runs every minute and introduces a new row. You can see here in the insert that column that they are happening every minute. Let's say we want to rewind the database to where it was on the 10th row, so at 1053. We go back to the backups page, we start a restore, and here we say 5300, and the restore kicks in. There's a message asking us to follow the process in the logs page. We can do that. We can filter by backup jobs. And we can see a log line. The most interesting log line is this one here. Restored log file with this random name from archive. And the process seems to be finished, so we can head back to our database. And indeed, we see that we have exactly the 10 rows that we had at 1053. Awesome. But there's more to point-in-time recovery. I will show you with another project called Movies Destination. So you can import a backup from a source project. The good thing about import backup, or the usefulness of it, is that imagine you want to test a big migration before actually running it in production. You can import your production database into a staging environment and run it there. If everything goes right, then you can run it in production. Or you can have dev environments or staging environments that closely mirror production. That's the usefulness of import backup. You don't have to have PITR enabled on the destination project, only on the source project. So you would just go here and then choose PITR logs, which is the project we used before, and you would just start the import the same way. Thank you for listening. This is all for today.